Have you ever been in a situation where your systems need an immediate recovery, but the tools at hand seem cumbersome? Or perhaps you've been concerned about identity management across multiple regions? AWS has unveiled several updates that may be a game changer. These updates encompass everything from reducing backup recovery times to enabling advanced AI agents in regulated environments. Let's break down the key developments and explore what these changes mean for your business. Amazon Web Services, AWS, has rolled out some exciting new features. First, Amazon TimeStream for InfluxDB now offers sophisticated backup and restore capabilities. This means businesses can set a backup schedule and trust automated incremental backups to help recover lost data efficiently. Next, they've enhanced Amazon Cognito by adding it to the Agent Toolkit for AWS. This addition empowers AI agents to manage user authentication processes, enhancing automation with a robust safeguard. AWS is also making it easier to manage identity across different geographical regions through the newly updated one-click, multi-region setup in the IAM Identity Center. Additionally, Amazon Bedrock Agent Core, now available in the regulated AWS GovCloud region, provides tools for running AI agents in environments with strict compliance requirements. Game developers get a boost from Amazon GameLift as it now supports many more EC2 instance types. This allows for cost-efficient server options, whether you're using AMD, Intel, or AWS's own Graviton processors. The Amazon Open Search service also sees an update, extending support durations and adding new pricing structures, nudging users towards the latest versions. Finally, AWS Parallel Computing Service broadens its compliance scope, supporting various regulatory standards across select regions. Why? Do these updates hold significance? For businesses utilizing time series data integrations, TimeStream's backups can cut recovery times and reduce the complexity of custom backup setups. The addition of Cognito to the Agent Toolkit means developers can automate user authentication flows more quickly and securely. Simplifying multi-region identity management is critical for globally distributed organizations looking to improve efficiency and reduce setup errors. Bedrock Agent Core's compliance-focused features are crucial for teams in tightly regulated industries. The ability to harness robust AI tools while adhering to regulations cannot be understated. Game developers gain more flexibility and cost control with new EC2 instances, enabling them to match resources to game server demands better. Continued support for open search versions provides some breathing room for companies planning upgrades, although it does come with long-term cost implications. For those running high-performance computing, HPC, tasks in regulated sectors, the expanded compliance of the Parallel Computing Service paves the way for smoother operations without external attestations. Let's dive into the technicalities. With Amazon TimeStream for InfluxDB, the new backup process involves an initial full backup followed by incremental backups. This is complemented by a configurable schedule, and the integration with AWS Key Management Service, KMS, ensures data security. Amazon Cognito's role in the Agent Toolkit automates complex authorization flows. Agents can now set up user pools, OAuth flows, and manage tokens seamlessly. For IAM Identity Center, the one-click multi-region capability automatically creates and manages relevant keys, streamlining an organization's setup across multiple areas. In public sector-focused regions, Amazon Bedrock Agent Core offers tools that ensure AI systems run within structured policies and comply with stringent regulations, aiding in both policy enforcement and scalability. GameLift's support for additional EC2 instances allows for optimization based on the workloads, supporting both CPU-intensive and affordable ARM-based AWS Graviton options. Lastly, the expansion of AWS Parallel Computing Services regulatory certifications means enhanced legitimacy for organizations leveraging HPC capabilities on AWS. From a business perspective, these updates lower the operational burden while enhancing agility. By reducing recovery times and increasing operational stability, companies can focus more on growth and less on maintenance. For organizations in highly regulated industries, particularly those requiring stringent data residency or security standards, AWS's new offerings empower them to implement cutting-edge AI features without legal friction. Developers and IT teams will appreciate the simplified integration processes for identity management and game server deployment, allowing for more strategic resource allocation. However, with extended support for legacy systems like OpenSearch, businesses have to weigh the benefits against accumulating support costs, pushing for timely upgrades. While these updates reduce complexity, they do not come without considerations. Managed features often tie users more closely to AWS, potentially increasing dependency on vendor-specific solutions. Fine-tuning identity configurations and ensuring consistent backup integrity might also introduce new challenges and costs, particularly in multi-regional deployments. Agent automation with fewer checks can lead to security vulnerabilities if proper auditing measures are not implemented. The introduction of new instance types will require performance benchmarking to achieve optimal cost-effectiveness. Extended support could increase operational costs if upgrades are postponed. Therefore, proactive planning is essential. Our recommendation at Kimbodo is to embrace these AWS updates but with deliberate planning. Enable native backup features if they meet your compliance levels, and ensure automated systems incorporate robust safeguards and auditing consistently. For global teams, utilize multi-region identity management, but prepare customized pathways for existing setups to avoid unexpected costs. Consider leveraging regulated features like Bedrock Agent Core for sensitive agent deployments in restricted environments. Evaluate the new GameLift instances through thorough testing to uncover the best balance between performance and cost. Lastly, plan OpenSearch upgrades proactively to avert surcharge impacts, ensuring your systems remain up to date without inflated expenses. How can you make the most of these new AWS capabilities for your business? At Kimbodo, we can help you design and implement an AI roadmap tailored to your specific needs. To get a personalized estimate covering costs, timelines, and architectural details, use our quote engine today. Visit Kimbodo.com to access the full article and start your journey towards optimized AI deployment.